This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. I love rubber stamping because one stamp, different person, different tool, different kind of material, they all turn out totally different. I have 4 cards here and I use one of my newest image is called the River Rock background. Can you believe it? All 4 cards they done with the same background stamp and then it totally looks different. And today's tutorial is a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you just with one background stamp and then you can create something really unique. That's started. So this is our movement background. It's so artistic. And then this is the one I just use a magic mushroom color the background after I stamped with a black image. So and then after I colored the background and with our magic mushroom and I just used one of my die cut. I didn't even use a stamp image because the background was so colorful. You don't really need to do anything. You just die cut it and it create a beautiful image. And then for this one, what I did is I used the same stamp, the movement background stamp, on the black cardstock, and that looks like this. And then for this card is I just use a black, I just stamping with a VersaFine black, and I use a blue tone. See these, and these, the same background stamp, different color, different kind of material, they looks totally different. Isn't that awesome? So I have 4 cards here, but today I'm going to focus on this one. Okay, this is something you won't believe how easy it is, and it looks so artistic. It looks like you spent a long time to work on this project. So that's started. Okay, so we're going to working on this card and we are going to use our River Rocks, the new background stamp. I already used a VersaFine and the stamping with a black on the watercolor cardstock. So watercolor cardstock is a little bit different with a matte cardstock or glossy paper. So this one is a kind of matte coat cardstock, and then this is a watercolor cardstock. So the watercolor cardstock, the surface is not as smooth on the as smooth as the cold smooth paper. So you kind of actually have to stamp 2-3 times to be able to get a nice image like that. So if you have a stamp positioner, it's a great idea. Use your stamp positioner because I stamp like 2-3 times to get all the image on the watercolor paper. If you don't have a stamp positioner, just make sure you go to our website, watch the tutorial how to make your own stamp positioner. It's a good idea to have one. It helps you to do a lot of things. So to color the background, I'm going to just fast forward it because I already showed too many times how to use our magic mushroom to color the background, so I'm not going to repeat it. I will be right back. Okay, so after we coloring, we're going to use Lisa Happy Birthday die cut. Lisa Happy Birthday die cut are is one of the bonus from the easel die. So the easel die comes with Happy Birthday and also come with a thank you. And with this die cut, there's too many different other way to do. Please check our website for how to use the easel die, and you can use this die cut to create like a Christmas banner. Okay, so we are going to just place the die cut on top of your color cardstock and use the reposition tape and go to run to machine to die cut it. So that's what's look like after you die cut it, and then you are going to just release the die cut, and then look how pretty it is. It's just not like a simple white anymore. It give a little bit color. And I have the other ones here. So what I do is I just this is the Happy Birthday, right? And then I just put a little bit glue in the back, and then after they dry, I am going to just show you quick, just kind of quick like this. And then you are going to just trimming it. Voila! It become kind of like a Christmas banner, just like that. See how simple it is. Okay, so let's just put that away. We're going to play that one later, and then we're going to do that. So after you die cut it, you just mount on a piece of colored cardstock, and I think that's a beautiful birthday card for all your friends. Okay, so this is what it look like after I die cut a birthday, and the other one, that hummingbird. Okay, so that's the one, the hummingbird is just a different image and a different die cut. Isn't it awesome? And then you just mount on the color cardstock, and that here is the other sample. The same river rocks background. I just use the desert sand. It's a very light color, and after I just die cut the happy birthday, I kind of glue there and make a beautiful birthday card. Okay, so that's today's tutorial. I try to keep it simple and try to keep it short. Please send me a message and let me know what would you like to learn, and how do you think about this tutorial. I'm always keep an open mind, welcome all the feedback. So thank you for watching. This is Lisa from Low Cooking Rubber Stamp. See you next time.